Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a live internet connection. Once you have those, open Start and go to Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security on Windows 11 or System on Windows 10, then click Windows Security. I tell you this because the firewall toggle lives inside Windows Security. Without it, you can't enable Defender's firewall. Once in Windows Security, choose Firewall and Network Protection to start the activation process. This begins the sequence that controls incoming and outgoing connections. You'll see 3 network profiles. Pick the one currently active, private, public, or domain, and click it. Turn the Microsoft Defender Firewall toggle to on. This enables core packet filtering and connection blocking. Next, return to Firewall and Network Protection and choose Allow an app through Firewall to let trusted programs communicate. Make sure to add exceptions only for signed apps. Once done, Defender enforces rules for incoming traffic and reduces exposure to network threats. Once you've enabled the firewall, check that the profile status reads active and there are no error banners. Run a quick scan in Windows Security to confirm real-time defenses are working alongside the firewall. If an app is inexplicably blocked or connections fail, reset Firewall to default from Advanced Settings or temporarily disable third-party antivirus. Conflicts often prevent Defender from functioning. If problems persist, restart the PC and recheck settings. That simple step resolves most state or service issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.